When I became pregnant, I was so glad to have my grandmother's wedding ring, as it felt like she was there with me throughout my pregnancy. Then the day came when I couldn't get the ring on and off anymore. My knuckles were too swollen. My husband knew how special the ring was to me, so we began researching ways to resize the ring and keep wearing it. That's when we came across CLIQ. With CLIQ's retrofit process, I would be able to keep my grandmother's antique ring and wear it comfortably with the new seamless hinge. I stopped by my local jeweler to get more information, and they assured me that not only will my ring finally fit perfectly, but they will also be able to preserve my treasured family heirloom. My husband picked up the ring to surprise me. He got down on one knee and proposed again. I was speechless. I couldn't believe how comfortable it was to wear. I could easily take it on and off, and the hinge was nearly invisible. Now, we're ready for the baby, and my grandma is right here with us.